These 10 cheap kitchen gadgets actually work, and almost everyone is under $20. I rank them from 10 down to 1, and number 1 quietly saves dinner every single night. Number 10. One adjustable spoon that replaces your whole messy set. Just slide it to any amount, from a tiny pinch to a full tablespoon. About $9, and it frees an entire drawer. Link in the description. Number 9. A tiny tool that strips fresh herbs in seconds. Pull the stem through a hole and watch every leaf fall off clean. Only $6, and no more picking leaves one by one. Link below. Number 8. A silicone clip that ends spilled pasta water forever. It snaps onto any pot, so you drain one-handed with zero mess. Around $10, and it folds flat into any drawer. Link in the description. Number 7. A 15-second frother that turns milk into a cafe drink. Watch the foam build in a glass, then pour it over your coffee. Under $12, and it lives in a drawer. Link below. Number 6. An oil sprayer that ends soggy salads and greasy pans. One press gives a fine, even mist using half the oil. Around $15 for real dressing control. Link in the description. Number 5. Magnetic spice jars that free your entire cabinet. They snap onto the fridge in a neat grid, every label facing you. A set of 12 runs under $30, link below. Number 4. A pull-string chopper that dices onions without the tears. One quick press and everything falls into perfect little cubes. About $15, and cleanup is one rinse. Link in the description. Number 3. A handheld spiralizer for pasta night without the carbs. Twist a zucchini and long green ribbons come tumbling out. Under $15 for a full bowl in 10 seconds. Link below. Number 2. A $20 blender that lives right in your gym bag. Drop in fruit, press once, and sip your smoothie straight from the bottle. Around $20, and it charges by USB. Link in the description. Number 1. The $10 thermometer that saves dinner every night. 2 seconds gives the exact temperature, so meat is never dry again. Just $10, and it is the one gadget I would never cook without. Link in the description. Every single link is waiting in the description, sorted from 10 to 1. Tell me which one you are grabbing first, and I will see you in the next one.